When I think of high potential, I think it's very simple statements that come to mind. Irrespective of, situations, irrespective of who is there in the management team, irrespective of circumstances of marketplace, high potentials have an attitude of, I can do it and I will get it done. I think that's what defines actually a high potential in any organization, any industry, any team, any professional arena that you pick up. So it's like attitude that comes in big time, apart from your capability, competency and everything. It's like the can do, I will do it. I look at high potential programs or high potential discussions as being a two-way street where high potentials gain the opportunity to do something new and there's a new incumbent who comes in. But it also pushes leaders who have been snugly fitted in their roles to think about what's the next thing that they can do. And when they start thinking about what's the next thing they can do, they actually move business, they move productivity, and the organization gains out of it. The other thing that actually comes to mind is high potentials are people whom larger populations will look at and will not bat an eyelid. They will look at them as role models. So in my mind, the trait is also like people who very seriously look at their jobs, at how they come across as team players or as leaders, but also very consciously carry the responsibility of how they are perceived. I think putting high potential programs in place is almost like planting a tree. You don't get the fruits immediately. You kind of create the framework, you have the discussion, you nurture, you water, and then you see future leaders coming out of it. So it's like a 3 to 5 year game where you see the results. It's right from the definition of what the business understands and what HR understands as high potential and what does that mean. If there's a common definition, I think it works extremely well. And that's how you make the process more scalable. And then you look at pockets which are more amenable, who understand and play with you, and then make them as success stories. You take success stories back to the larger organization, and then it becomes far more scalable. When you run the rigor of annual reviews, you also slide in potential rating and potential assessment for each of your employees. And tell us, are they going to be ready for the next role in the next 1 year, 2 years or 3 years? And when they are trying to put that, you start a conversation where you're encouraging them not only to look at potential ratings, but also saying, what's the next role for this person? A lot of success to the high potential program is transparency in terms of communication, where you see the gaps and how do you want to fill those gaps and why do you see those gaps? And organizations sometimes really feel if the going is good, then let's not, upset the apple cart. But organizations which are looking at continuity in terms of, growing the franchise and the footprint will think about, 3 to 5 years and then, look at how do we kind of fix this issue and how do we get this done.